It's showing going live only. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Okay, okay. Now I think you are audible. I'm audible. You are able to see? Am I audible now, ma? Kirtika, Nagalakshmi, Dinesh. Yes. Okay, ma. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Kirtika. Thank you, Dinesh. Good evening once again, Nagalakshmi, Kirtika, Dinesh, Nitin. Yes, ma. Shivakumar. Good evening, all of you. Okay, shall we start? So this is Unit 3, Class 3. In the previous, voice is slow. Okay. Uh-huh. Wait. You will be able to. Now only we have started, no. Audible. Okay, okay. Yes, ma. Okay. So this is third class. First and second we have started normal distribution. Good evening, Shrutika. Good evening. Yes. Okay. Okay. Wait. Anyway, I'll increase. Don't worry. Just now we have started, no. So first two classes we have seen these two. Normal distribution we have started. We have done some problems also. When the x value is given, you are asked to find out, that is mu and sigma, that is mean and standard deviation are given. Then you were asked to find out the probability. That kind of problems we have done. Okay, so one more problem we'll do in that manner for a normally distributed variate. This problem also I have told you, I gave it as a homework. I don't know how many of you have done. Have you completed? Standard deviation 3. You want me to do? Munaz Akram. Yes, ma. Hi. Yes, ma. Welcome to the channel. I think I have seen now. Very good. Welcome to the channel. Yes, ma. Have you done? Anyone has done? Can you give the answer or you want me to do? If you say that you have completed, we'll go to the next question. Otherwise, I will do. Do you want me to do or not? Tell me. For a normally distributed variate with mean 1 and standard deviation 3, find the probabilities. That day I gave a clue how to do that problem. Mu is given and sigma is given. Yes, ma? Do you want me to do or not? Have you completed or not? Okay, thank you, ma, for your meets. Okay, fine, very good. I'm happy about that. My aim is that only. It should reach everyone. Everyone should get that favor. That's why I'm coming on live. Whenever you have any doubt, even if it is very basic, I don't mind teaching you. I'll be very happy if you ask doubts. Okay. I'll clear all your doubts, even if whether it is basic or not. Don't always, I tell my students that only. Don't bother about others, how others will think about me if I ask this silly question. Madam may think that it is very silly, and nothing like that. You can ask any questions regarding the basics of mathematics also. I can clear. Don't worry. Okay. Thank you so much. I'm very happy that it helped you. Nice. Okay, coming to this problem, you want me to do or shall we go to the next question? Please respond. Okay, ma. Thank you. You are welcome, Shivakumar. And feel free to speak to me or you can post your doubts, you can post your answers. Don't feel that whether it is wrong or not. This is not university questions, university exam, and I'm not going to evaluate whether you are correct or not. Okay, to help you only I'm coming in this channel. Okay, so whether even if you post your wrong answers, nothing wrong. We are all human beings. We will make mistakes. Okay, that I will always accept. I tell my students that only. Simra, okay ma. Next question. Okay, yes ma. Simra, okay ma. Sure. Okay, this all of you have done. Hope all of you have done. Okay, yes. So we'll go to the second question. If you want, I'll give you the answers for this. The first one answer is 0.1672. 3.43, 0.16. This answer is 0.1672, and for the second one it is minus 1.43. This is 0.7492. Okay, these are the answers. Okay, we'll go to the next question. Yeah, so I told you there are two types of questions you can expect. One is this one. In this first one is in normal distribution. There are two types of questions you can expect. Definite question even for university exam. One definite question for 5 marks you can expect. Okay, only there are two types. One is till now what is given, mu and variance, sigma squared. That is mean and variance are given. One second. Given that mu and sigma squared, that is mean and variance are given. And you will be asked to find out the probability. Find the probability that, the question will be given like that. This mean of this variance is this one, or standard deviation. But you have to be very careful in the question whether they have given sigma squared or sigma. Okay, this is variance. Variance means you have to take it as sigma squared. If it is mentioned that standard deviation, then it should be sigma. Okay, so given these two are given, and you are asked to find out the probability. This we have completed now. Next part is, this is one type. Second type is probabilities will be given. Probability will be given. Actually, two sets of probabilities should be given. Okay, and you will be asked to find out mu and sigma. Either mu and sigma or mu and sigma squared, depending on that. Mean and variance means you have to find out sigma squared. Okay, find the mean and variance. That in that case, sigma you have to find out, and you have to find, from that you have to find out sigma squared. Actually, here there are two unknowns. Okay, these two are to be considered as two unknowns. If you have two unknowns or two variables, then you have to form, you need two equations. Okay, so using these two sets of probabilities, you have to form two equations, two simultaneous equations in mu and sigma, and solve for mu and sigma. Solve for mu and sigma. Okay, therefore now we are going to see the second one. First one is completed, we have seen, and we will see one more problem if possible. And next is second type we are going to do now. Okay, yes. In a normal distribution, 7% of the items are under 35 and 89% are under 63. Determine the mean and variance of the distribution. Even though they have given variance, first let us find out standard deviation sigma, then you can square it. Okay, so before that I want to tell you some more things. Actually, this is the normal curve, and the total area is the probabilities given in the table. The total probability is always 1. Okay, so this side it is 0.5. We know that this side it is 0.5. And this is the line x is equal to mu or z is equal to 0. If you are talking in terms of x, it is x is equal to mu. That is the mean. If you are talking in terms of z, it will be 0, because z is equal to x minus mu by sigma. This also you have to remember. Z is equal to x minus mu by sigma. Okay. So the total probability is 1. If you are talking about the probability, total probability is always 1. But if you are talking in terms of percentage, then the total percentage is 100 percentage. Up to this is 0 to 50 we will take in the left hand side, and 51 to 100 we will take in the right hand side. Actually you can say 50 to 100 also. Okay, it is not 51 to 100 because it is continuous, no. So at a particular point the integral will become 0. Okay, so 0 to 50 means left hand side, exactly 50 is this line, and 50 to 100 will be in the right hand side. So if it is less than 50 or less than or equal to 50, it will be in the left hand side, or strictly less than 50 it will be in the left hand side, strictly greater than 50 it will be in the right hand side, equal to 50 is the line. Okay, please remember these things, right? So next we are going to form the equations. First always remember, whenever you draw the region, then only it will be easy for us. Okay, so now what is given? 7% or 7% of the items are under 35. So here 7%, I told you already, if it is less than 50 you have to draw in the left hand side, and if it is more than 50 then it should be in the right hand side. Okay, so here it is less than, in a normal distribution 7%, because it is 7%, it has to be in the left hand side, or under 35. So x is equal to 35 is on this side. Okay, so 7% or under 35, that means 0.07. So if it is 0.07, always I told you, if you want to make use of the table, then always you have to express the given regions in terms of this. Z is equal to 0 to any z value. Okay. Always percentage, total percentage is 100%. Ma. Always total percentage is 100%. Yeah. Yes. Simra, you have done full problems. Yes. Very good. Very good. Answers are right. 50.3, 10.3 are right. Okay. Yes. Variance is 106.9. Excellent. Excellent. So here, this is always, remember, this is, if you want to make use of the table, then it has to be in this side. You have to express in terms of 0 to z is equal to 0 to any value. Okay. Yes. Yes, ma. This value, now you have to find out this because you know the left hand side is 0.5 and this is 0.07. This should be 0.5 minus 0.07. This is 0.5 minus 0.07. Therefore, it is 0.3. Therefore, in the right hand side also it is 0.3. This is 0.43. I want actually corresponding z value. X is equal to 35 is given. X is equal to 35 is given. Corresponding z value you have to find out. How will you find out from the table? Always remember, this entire values are probabilities. These values are probabilities. Okay. And these values are z, left hand side, and the third digit, second decimal should be taken from this side, that is z value. Till now what we have done is z values were given, we have found out the probabilities. Now the first probability is given, right? It is 0.43. What is this value of z? This is what we are going to find out. So this is equivalent to this 0.43. Okay, and if it is in the left hand side, you have to add one minus, you have to attach one minus. Okay, so 0.43 you have to search inside the table. So 0.4300 you have to find out. Actually here 0.4306, 0.4292. Either you can consider this value or this value. Whichever is nearer you have to find out. How will you find out actually? 0.4300 is a required value, right? I want 0.4300. So 0.4300, and left hand side I have found out 0.4292. 0.4292, this is less than this, or 0.4306. 0.4306, it is more than that. What is the difference between these two values and these two values? Here the difference is 0.0008. Here the difference is 0.0006. So which is less value? This one. So this is nearest value. 0.4306 is nearest. Yes, ma. So now I want to find out, one second. Yeah. So here 0.4306 is the nearest value, right? So 0.4306 for this. Now I don't want 0.4292. I want only 4306. What is the corresponding Z value? Here you come this side, it is 1.4. In the left hand side it is 1.4 and here it is 8. Okay. So here 1.48. So one understood how you have taken? Yeah, Sujit, good evening, ma. Good evening. 1.48, Shrutika is right. Yes, ma. Yes. So 0.4306 is nearest value and the corresponding Z value you find out from this left hand side. You have to take 1.4 and second digit is to be taken from this side. Okay. Always we used to find out Z probability corresponding to Z value in the reverse manner, right? Now you have to go back in this opposite direction, that is probabilities are given, you have to find out Z value. In the previous problem, so Z values were given, we have found out the probability. Now probabilities are given, you have to find out Z value. Okay. So now 0.4306 for this corresponding Z value is 1.48. Okay. So 1.48 is in the left hand side. Therefore, you have to take it as Z is equal to minus 1.48. Minus 1.48. Shrutika, don't forget that minus also. Okay, ma. 1.48 is correct. Excellent. But minus because it is in the left hand side. So, one value. From this, you have to find out, you have to form the equation. What do you know about this? X minus mu by sigma is equal to 1 minus 1.48 is one equation. That is, X is what? 35. 35 minus mu. Here X should be replaced by 35 minus mu by sigma. The corresponding Z value is minus 1.48. So multiply this. So mu you bring it to the right hand side. Sigma you multiply. So mu plus mu minus 1.48 sigma is equal to 35. This is one equation. Okay. Understood? The next equation is this is only one set of data. I told you two sets of probabilities will be given. No. So one we have used and we have found. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Sujit. Yes, you can refer probability and random variables chapter in COSM for same thing. PTSP also the same thing. Yes. Even stochastic process 50 unit introduction I have given. In it will be useful for you for your stochastic processes. Okay, only basics are there in the channel available. Unit 5 you can go through. All the topics I have uploaded already. Okay, you can go through for PTSP stochastic process basics, you can refer that. 5th unit is stochastic process. First 2 units are PTSP. Same means you can use. Yes, ma. Yes, almost the same. There will not be any difference. Yes, you can. Yeah, Shivakumar, I am explaining again. The second equation, when I explain, you will understand. Again, if you still have any doubt, I'll explain again. Okay. This is next one. So, first set of data we have used. Next one is 89% items are under 63. 89% of the items are under 63. Always remember, less than, under means less than, over means more than, okay, greater than. So under means less than. So yeah, okay, Sujit. So next is 89% are under 63. 89% are under 63. That is, this is our x value. Okay, x is 63. 89%, that means what? More than 50% means it is in the right hand side. So x is equal to 63 is to be drawn in the right hand side. Understood? That is, this total area is 89%. If this total area is 80, because it is under 63, x is equal to 63 is to be marked in the right hand side because it is 89%, more than 50. I told you 0 to 50, less than 50 means you have to mark in the left hand side. Previous problem was 7%, okay. That is why in the left hand side. And 89% or under 63 means this area. So x is equal to 63 is to be marked in the right hand side. What about this area? What about this area? See, whenever you want to make use of the table, it should be drawn from x is equal to mu or z is equal to 0 to this z value, right? Therefore, what about this value, this area? You know that the left hand side it is 0.5 and the remaining, that is 50% in the left hand side, okay? 0.5 or you can say that 50% in the left hand side. How much is remaining in 89? 39% is remaining. Therefore, this value is 0.39. 0.39, okay. So now let us see in the table. 0.39 in the table. That is probability, right? So inside you have to search. 0.3907 is there and 0.3888 is there. So which is nearer? What is the difference? What do you want actually? 0.3900 you want. One is 0.3888 is there. That is the difference is 0.0012. Okay. And here the difference is 0.3907. Here the difference is 0.0007. So which is nearer? 0.3909 is, sorry, 0.3907 is nearer, right? So this value you have to take. What is the corresponding value? From this side, you tell me, find out and tell me. That it is available on the screen. Find out the corresponding Z value. Can anyone tell me? What is the corresponding Z value? 1.28. No. What, Shrutika? See it carefully. 1.23 is correct. Excellent. Yes, ma. 1.23 is correct. Here it is 3 only, no? Does it look like 8 or what? 1.2 and this side it is 3. 1.23 is correct. Yes, ma. 1.2 in the left hand side, Shivakumar. And you have to take this also. 1.23. Okay, 2 decimals you have to take, ma. Shivakumar, 1.2 in the left hand side. And second decimal you have to consider this also. We used to take no. Okay, z is equal to. Yes, ma, correct. Uma Reddy is correct. Nagalakshmi is right. Very good, all of you. Shivakumar, you have to consider this value also. 1.23. Okay. You have to consider the second decimal from this side. So 1.23. All of you are right. Very good. So now, what is x value? 63. So 63 minus mu by sigma is equal to 1.23. Z is equal to 1.23. Is it plus or minus? It is plus because it is in the right hand side. If it is in the left hand side, you have to add one minus. If it is in the right hand side, it is plus only. Okay. Therefore, 63 mu plus 1.23 sigma is equal to 63. This is second equation. And now we got two equations. You have to solve those two. So one equation is mu plus 1.23 sigma is equal to 63, right? And the other one is mu minus 1.48 sigma is equal to 35. Solve these two equations using your calculator. Solve these two equations using your calculator. Use mode, then equation 5. First one ANX plus. I hope all of you know how to use your calculator, right? 1.23. You have to enter all the values as it is, 63. Then 1. You keep on pressing equal to, it will go move. The cursor will be moved to the other one. Next value. Minus 1.835. So x is equal to, you will be getting mu is equal to 50.29. 50.29 or 50.3 you can see. 2915 or 29. 50.29. And sigma is equal to, when you solve this you will get only standard deviation. If you are asked to find out the variance, then you have to square it. Don't forget that. Yes ma, 29151. Excellent. Yes ma, Shrutika correct. Yes, super. Super. Yes. Very good. Sigma. Again press equal to 10.33. 10.33. Uma, why the standard deviation is not correct? I think you have entered the values wrong ma. Uma, once again you check ma. So sigma is equal to 10.33. 10.33 you should get. 48 is wrong, Uma. You enter the values correctly. Yeah, 10.33, 210. Yes, ma. 33210. Yes, very good, Shrutika. Sigma is 10.33210. Uma, you check the values once again. Input you have to give correctly. Okay. And equation, selection of equation, always remember it is in this form only. A, B, C. You are getting these values, no? A, B, C. It is in this form only. Need not take, I think you would have given minus 63, Uma. Yes, ma. Kirtika is also right. 10.3321. Yes, ma. Correct. Yes. So, A, B, C, you have to give in this order. Actually, AX1, AX plus A1X plus B1Y is equal to C1. Similarly, A2X plus B2Y is equal to C2. So, the coefficients are like this only. Need not give minus 63. It should be plus 63 only. Enter the values properly. Okay. Yes. So, sigma squared is 10.33210 square. X squared is, sigma squared is 1.06. Variance is asked. So, variance is sigma squared is equal to 106.7523 or 106.75 is enough. 2 decimal digits are more than enough. Yes, ma. Yes. Now you got correctly. Yes, ma. Uma. Good. Very good, all of you. One more question you do on your own. Now understood, right? Shivakumar, understood? Actually, 0 to 50%. Less than 50% means in the left hand side. Okay. Less than 50% in the left hand side. Remember these things. This is less than 50% means in the left hand side, and you have to one negative sign also in the negative sign. Left hand side, if it is there, you have to add one negative sign. Okay. Yes, ma, correct, Kirtika. 106.7522 is correct. Even Shrutika is right. And greater than 50% means you have to mark it in the right hand side. And you will be getting plus sign in the right hand side. If it is in the left hand side, it is minus sign. Okay. Always remember the entire region is divided into two equal parts. One is 0.5, 0.5. Left hand side is also 0.5. Right hand side is also 0.5 in terms of area. And in terms of percentage, if you want to talk about the percentage, x is equal to mu. This line divides the entire region into two equal parts, and 0 to 50% in the left hand side and 50 to 100 in the right hand side. Exactly 50 is that line. Okay. Yes. Next question, do on your own. 10% of the probability. Shivakumar, is it clear? If you have still doubt, you tell me which step you don't understand, I'll tell you. So 10% of the probability for a normal distribution is below 35. Below 35 and 5% above 90. Do it on your own. Find the mean and variance of the distribution. Find the mean and variance of the distribution. If you want, I'll give you the area. 10%. Can you tell me whether it is in the left hand side or right hand side? The curves will be like this only, okay? I'm not very good at drawing, okay? The curves will be like this. Actually, it is symmetric about the line. This line, x is equal to mu, you can say, or z is equal to 0, you can say. If you are talking about in terms of x, it is mu. This is the mean, the line mean, okay? Z is equal to 0. Left side, yes, very good, very good, very good. So 10% in the left hand side or below 35. So this is the line, x is equal to 35. 10% here means it is 0.40. This is 0.10. This is 10%. This is 40%. Total is 50%. So this remaining is 40%. Therefore, you can write it as this is also 0.40. Find the corresponding z value and don't forget to write one minus here because it is in the left hand side. Yes, ma. Very good. Very good. Probability is 0.040, ma. Shrutika, 0.40, not 04. Not 04. Okay. Yes. Yes, ma. Left side is correct. Yes. Shivakumar, understood? Yeah. Shrutika, yes, ma. See, here, ma, totally it is 50%, right? So this is 10%. Therefore, this is 0.10. And this is remaining 40%. Always you know that the total area is 0.5, right? 0.10 this side. So minus 0.1. So 0.40. Okay. 0.5. Therefore, it is 0.40. Entire area in the left hand side is 0.5, no ma. This is 0.5. Left hand side is 0.5. Right hand side is also 0.5. Or in terms of percentage, if you want to talk about in terms of percentage, this is left hand side is 10%. Below 35 is 10%. So 35 to 50, this x is equal to mu. This value is 40%. Okay. This left hand side is 50%. Here 10% is this side. So remaining is 40%. Got it. Yes, ma. Very good. Very good. Left side area is 50%. Yes, ma. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Minus 1.28. 0.40. I'll see. 0.40. Yeah. 0.3997 is there. 0.4015 is there. This is the nearest one. Yes, ma. Very good. Very good. Excellent. 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 Simra, it is minus 1.28 is correct. Very good, Simra. 0.3997 corresponding value you have to take 1.28. 1.28 and it should be in the left hand side. Therefore, minus 1.28. Very good. Excellent. Minus 1.28. Yes, ma'am. So one equation is 35 minus mu by sigma is minus 1.28. Therefore, mu minus 1.28 sigma is equal to 35. This is equation number 1. And what about the second one? 5% above 90. 5% above 90. 90 means left hand side or right hand side? 90. 90 means LHS or RHS? 90. Above 90. That is left hand side or right hand side? 90%. Shivakumar, 1.28 is correct. Very good. But it is in the left hand side means always remember, don't forget one minus. Okay. Left hand side means you have to add one minus. Don't forget to add that minus. Yeah, right hand side. Yes, ma. Correct, Simra. Yes, correct. Very good. Right side, ma'am. Yes, ma. Yes, yes. Yes, Shrutika, correct. Kirtika, correct. Correct. Very good. Very good. Uma, correct, ma. Right side is correct. Yes. Very good. So, right side means you need not worry about that. It is positive only. Okay. So, 5% is in the right hand side. That is 0.05. Now, what is this value? This is 0.5 minus 0.005. That is 45, 90. This is x is equal to 90. This is x is equal to, it is not 90%, okay. The x value is 90. So, here it is 0.45. It is 0.45. Mu value you have to find out, Shivakumar. The second type is, we are doing the second type, okay. So, mu you have to find out. We are forming two equations, one in mu and sigma. First equation we have formed using the first set of data below 35. Next is 5% above 90 is given, no? Using the second information, second probability, we are going to form another equation in mu and sigma. Got it? So, this is actually mu and sigma are to be found out. Mean and variance. Find the mean and variance of the distribution. So, mean and sigma squared you have to find out. Mu only we have to find out. Mu and sigma squared. Understood? That is why we are forming two equations in mu and sigma squared. Using the first set of data, you have to form one equation. That is mu minus 1.28 sigma is 35. And second equation is 5% above 90. 5% above 90 means 0.45. Okay. Yes, ma. Very good. Shrutika, correct. 0.45 is right. So, 0.45 you have to search in the table. 0.4500. Actually, here you will be getting 0.4495, 0.4505. It is actually 1.64 and 1.65. You will be getting two values, 1.64 and 1.65. In this case, you take the average of these two, that is 1.645. Take the average of these two values. It is 1.645. Yes, ma. Uma Reddy, correct. Yes, ma. Yes, difference is same. So, you have to take the average of these two. Okay. Yes. You have to take average of these two. Simra, understood? You have, because both are same, you have to take, the difference is same for these two. 1.64 and 1.65. Both are same. You take the average. Okay. And even in the tests of hypothesis, I have explained all these things. In the fourth unit, next unit, we will find out all those things. In the tests of hypothesis, 90% means 1.645 and single-tailed, two-tailed and all will come. That time, you will remember this. You can find out the Z value without, sometimes you can remember the values even if you don't remember. You will know how to find out the Z value using this. Okay, 90% means this is 0.45. 90% means this is here 0.05 and here also 0.05. Okay, that I will explain in that unit when it comes. Okay, Arun Kumar, okay ma. Yes, okay, fine, very good. So 1.645 in the right hand side. Therefore, how will you form the equation now? X minus, that is 90 minus mu by sigma is 1.645. Okay. So, mu plus plus 1.645 sigma is equal to 90. This is the second equation. Now solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2, you will be getting mu and 1 and 2. What is the first equation? Mu minus 1.28 sigma. 1.28 sigma is equal to 35. And next one is mu plus 1.645 sigma is equal to 90. Solve these two and find out the values. Mean is 59.24 is the book answer. Well, once again I will also check. 59 is correct actually. One second. 1 minus 1.28 and 35. .06 excellent ma. 0683 excellent Uma. Yes ma, correct. Simra, correct. Yes ma, correct. Very good. 18.64. Actually I want okay, one second. 18.80 is also correct. Yes ma, very good. So mu is equal to 59.0683. Yes, excellent. And sigma is 18.8034. Yes, very good. Table must be followed. Yes ma. For this you cannot use calculator actually. The other way around, no, if mu and sigma are given, if you are asked to find out the probability, I have taught you how to use your calculator. Okay. Calculations, why it is going wrong, Shivakumar? Where do you go wrong? Yeah, you tell me where you are making mistakes. You did not understand anything. Tell me. Okay. Did you understand what I am explaining? Now 18.8034 square you have to find out. That is the variance. 353 is correct. Excellent. Yeah, very good, Uma. So variance is mean is 59.0683 and variance is 353.5678. 5678 is correct. Yes, very good. No problem, Uma. 56856 is also okay because you would have taken 8.80 and all. No problem. Small difference is okay. Okay. Find out that we have found out mean to be 59.0683. Variance is this one. Sigma, actually by solving this you will get only the standard deviation. Be careful. Whatever is asked you have to write. What Shivakumar in calculator in exams, how can we manage the table? Definitely they will allow ma. If they don't allow, then you have to ask them to provide. Definitely they have to provide. Or if they don't provide, they will allow you to. Actually, that's why I told you whenever you are taking printout, no, you take one printout without writing anything. You keep it aside for exam. Okay, one printout, you be ready with the, take a printout and keep it aside. Don't write even your names also. Without writing anything, they will allow. You can claim that it is your right. Okay, either they have to provide or they will allow. In most of the colleges, they don't provide, but they will allow. Okay. Sometimes if they don't allow, it is your right to ask. Okay. You can ask them. But request them. Don't. If you fight, no, again they will not be they will not be in a mood to give it to you. They will have their own egos and all. No. So why unnecessarily? Request them. This is useful, and without writing the name, definitely they will allow. Okay. And the other part you can do without table also, without using the calculator, you can do that. Okay. One more question we'll do. So suppose the weights of 800 students are normally distributed with mean 140 pounds. Standard deviation 10 pounds. Always I told you only two types of questions you can expect from normal. Mostly mean and sigma will be given. You will be asked to find out the probability, or probabilities will be given. You will be asked to find out the mean and sigma. Here what is given? With mean 140 pounds. So mu is equal to 140. Okay, and standard deviation 10 pounds. So sigma is equal to 10. By reading the question itself, you can understand. Now they are asking for probability, right? Yes, ma. Okay, Vishnu. So now find the number of students whose weights are between 130 and 148. What is asked now? First bit is probability that 138 less than x less than 148. But whenever it is given in terms of x, no, you have to convert it into z. Convert it into z. Okay. So how will you, when x is equal to 138, what is z? X minus mu by sigma. What is x here? 138 minus mu. What is mu? Mu is 140, right? 140 divided by, what is sigma? 10. Therefore 0 0.2. Sorry, this is minus 0 0.2. Minus 0 0.2. Okay. Next is when x is equal to 148, z is equal to x minus mu by sigma, that is 148 minus 140 divided by 10, that is 0.8. Okay, 148 minus 140 is 8 divided by 10, 0.8. Therefore, what is asked? Probability that 138 less than x less than 148. This is equal to. One more important thing, ma, whether you write equal to or less than, strictly less than, no problem. Okay, because it is continuous, right? So probability of 138 less than x less than 148 is equal to probability of minus 0.2 less than z less than 0.8. This is the area. So minus 0.2 means it is in the left hand side and 0.8 plus in the right hand side. So first let us draw the region. So here minus 0.2 and somewhere here it is 0.8. Okay. So here this is the required area. How can you find out? Using the calculator you can, I will use, the easiest thing is I will use the calculator. P of 0.8 minus P of minus 0.2. Actually what is P in the calculator? It is, P means up to this, right? Left hand side of the line. So P of minus 0.2 means in the left hand side. P of 0.8 will be minus infinity to 0.8 and P minus infinity to minus 0.2 you have to subtract. Either you can use this one or you can use Q also. If you use Q, then 0 to 0.8 plus 0 to 0.2. You have to add these two. Okay, I will show you both the values. You will get the same answer only. 294 is correct. Excellent. Yes, ma. Very good. Very good. 294 is correct. Excellent. So I will use both. P value I am going to find out. Do you remember the things in the calculator? You have to use mode, then 3 you have to make it statistics mode, then shift 1, then 5 for distribution, 1 of 0.8. That is P of 0.8 is, this is in calculate. This P is different from this P. This is probability. Okay. This P is in calculator P. Okay. Subject at regular. That this videos are for that only, ma. if you attend these classes, no, slowly I'm doing all the problems. So if you understand these topics, it is very, very easy. Clearing COSM is not at all a problem. Okay, it is very, very easy paper. If you understand these things, no, these types of questions, the number may not be the same, but these types of questions, if you understand these topics, definitely you can clear. Vishnuvardhan, you need not worry about COSM. You attend these regular classes. I will complete all the 5 units. Now we are in 3rd unit. Okay, first 2 units I have done. You can go through that. Okay. From the table, okay, Shrutika, I will find out. 1 second. I will do the same in the table also. See, 0.8 minus 0.2. So here I got P of 0.8 is 0.78814 minus minus 0.2. P value is 0.42, 0.42074. All of you along with me, you can use your calculator. Find the P values, okay. See, that's why I'm going slowly, Vishnuvardhan. I'm doing along with you, okay, so that you can understand, right? It is to make you clear. These classes are especially for the slow learners also, and those who are thorough with that also, you can get a practice. That's why I'm doing again. All these topics are already there in the channel. Okay, you can go through that. But this is a revision kind. So 0.36736 or 0.3674 you can see. Sorry, 0.3674. Right? 0.78814 minus 0.42074. Yes. So 0.3674. Yes, ma. 92 is the second answer. Correct. Excellent. Excellent, ma. Excellent, Simra. Yes, 0.3674. But remember, please remember, it is not, the probability is not asked. What is that? Find the number of students whose weights are between 138 and 148 pounds. That is, you have found out the probability that these students are in this. Okay, but it should be, now how many students are there? 800 students are there. Out of 800, how many students will be in this area? Okay, this between these two weights. Therefore, it should be multiplied by. So, number of students whose weights are between 138 and 148 pounds. 148 pounds is equal to, you have to multiply 0.3674 into 800. Okay, 0.3674 into 800. It is 293.92. Yeah, 0.3674 Shivakumar. Yeah, correct. It is not 77. Maybe a typo. Yeah, 294 is right. Yes, ma. 293.92 you will be getting, because number of students, no, you have to round it. Okay, you cannot write the number of students in decimal. So it should be 294. 294 is correct. Yes, very good. Very good, all of you. Yes, next question, next bit, more than 150 pound. 152. So probability that x greater than 152. Find out when x is equal to 152, what is z value. Find the z value. It is given, Shivakumar. Given. It is given. See, suppose the weights of 800 students are normally distributed. That is the question. Okay. That is why we have to, now the number of students is asked. Find the number of students whose weights are between 138. How many students are having weights between 138 to 148 pounds? That is why we have to multiply. Out of 800 students, totally there are 800 students. How many students weight are between 138 and 148 pounds? That is what is asked. Understood? That is why you have to multiply by 800. No problem. You can post it. No problem. Okay. Let it be there. No, it will be useful. Even if you ask some question, it will be useful for others. Those who are asking, no, it will be useful for others. Okay. So don't delete. Now x greater than 152. X greater than 1.2. Yes, ma. Very good. Very good. So z is 152 minus 140, right? Divided by 10. That is 1.2. So this is P of z greater than 1.2. Yes. So this is equal to now 1.2. Z is equal to 1.2. Directly, which one you will use now? Which one you will use now? Uma will tell now immediately. She likes this. PQR. She is thorough with that. PQR. Yes, Uma. Which one you will use this? Others also you can tell. Because she comes always. PQR means immediately she used to tell. That's why I am telling. It is not that others will not tell. Others are also. Yes, ma. Shrutika, excellent. Excellent. R. Yes, ma. Even Shrutika, Kirtika, they are also thorough with that. PQR. Yes, very good. Super, super. It is R. Yeah, using calculator, it is R, right? R of 1.2. R of 1.2. Very good. One point two. Yes, 0.1151. Yes, ma. Very good. Excellent. Yes, 0.5 minus 0.38. Excellent. Yes, ma. Using the table you have found out. Very good. Very good. Simra. Yes, ma. Super. Yeah, 1.2. It is directly you can use the calculator. You can find out 0.11507. Okay, 507. Now now this is the probability. Therefore, number of students whose weights are more than 152 pounds. More than 152 pounds is equal to 0.11507 or 1151 you can say into 800. 92.056. 92.056 because number of students means you cannot express them in decimals. Okay, therefore you have to write the nearest value. 92 is the correct answer. Long back Simra is given. Nice. Very good. Very good. So 92. Now Shrutika asked me to explain using the table, right? So this is minus 0.2. Yeah. P of minus 0.2 less than x less than z. Less than z less than 0.8, right? So this is in if you are drawing in this is minus 0.2, this is my 0.8. Okay, if you want to make use of the table, always you have to express in terms of this is our total area. Therefore, you have to split it into 2. This is minus 0.2 to 0, this area, plus this area. This is 0.8. You have to add these two, okay? And because it is symmetric, minus 0.2 to 0, you cannot do that. Therefore, it is 0 to. This is equivalent to 0 to 0.2. Z is equal to 0 to because it is symmetric. Symmetric you can, because the curve is symmetric, you can use either from minus 0.2 to 0 or 0 to 0.2, it is going to be the same. Plus here this is 0.8. So 0.20, this one, 0.20, that is 0.20 means 0.0793. 0.0793 plus you can use Q also in that. You can use Q also, okay. And 0.80, 0.2881. 0.80 means 0.2881. First one is 0.20. So 0.0793 and 0.2881. 2881. What is value? You will be getting 0.3674. 0.3674. Understood? Kirtika, Shrutika. Understood? Yes, ma. Got it? So with this, normal distribution is over. And we have to study the mean, median and mode also. Okay. We'll see in the next class. Do you want the theorems to be practiced in the class, or we'll do problems? Shall we go to the uniform distribution next, or you want some theorems also? Mean, finding the mean, median and mode. It is available already in the channel. You can go through otherwise. You tell me if you want, we'll practice. Otherwise, we'll do problems. Next is uniform distribution you want, or you want to practice that mean and median and all. Mean variance derivation, do you want to practice or not? In the next class. Next class is Friday, it is New Year, no? So next class, do you want Saturday's class or Monday shall we see? You tell me, accordingly we will decide. Do you want Saturday or Monday? We want, okay, we practice in class. Okay, ma. Yes, ma. Okay. Yes, fine. Fine. Saturday, do you want or not? Or Monday? Next class, shall we have it on Saturday or Monday? When do you want? Tell me accordingly. Monday. Yes, fine. Fine, ma. Okay, okay. Okay, equal Saturday and Monday. Okay, Saturday, ma'am. Okay. I'll find out. Okay, and if it is on Saturday, Saturday morning itself, I'll upload. Okay, whether it is there or not, I'll let you know by Saturday morning. Okay. Yes, ma. Next is uniform distribution, and problems also we'll see in that. Okay, majority, yes, ma. Yeah, majority they want Saturday only. Yes, okay. Shivakumar also Saturday only. Yes, ma. Very good. Thank you for that interest you have. No, actually, you should enjoy learning. If you start enjoying learning, it will be very easy. Maths is not at all difficult. Okay. Maths is very easy if you enjoy learning. Sunday, Saturday and Sunday also. Okay, okay. Saturday we'll have. Okay. It's okay for all. Yes, ma. Saturday we'll have. Not Sunday. Okay. Sunday people will be in the TV only maximum. So Saturday we'll have 8 o'clock. Okay. Thank you so much for joining live. And keep that enthusiasm throughout till you complete your COSM. Okay. Thank you, ma. Okay, ma. Any day is okay. So nice of you. Thank you, ma.